I will play game pro Warrobots because I'm playing very pro motion because like I get the box this box 100 keys. I get the fury. Yeah, look at this. I get the fury. Look, there's a fury. Yeah, this one is a fury. Look, this one. There's a fury. This one. Fury. So, yeah. I will begin to play. I begin to play. I go to battle. I can beacon rush. Yeah. I get to play beacon rush. So. He said for 4 minutes, but no, it's not minute, but it's not minute, but today I will play gamer birds. Yes, this way. Yeah, battle. So, quickly. Oh man, quickly! My Wi-Fi, my internet. Come on, man. Yeah. I get the Galahad first because it has shield. So why did I don't born? Okay. Cheats me. He cheats me. Duh. Quickly, please. They cheat me. No. They can't fly. Oh man. Oh, that is hover. They can't fly, but that bot is used jigsaw 10,000. I think is 10,000. Look, if you walk to them, you will die. They have 2 robots, so we died, I think. Like, oh, my shield! Come on, man, they can't shoot me! Oh my gosh! Okay, take the shield back. Who destroyed? Oh my gosh! Shoot! Yo! They cheat! Look! They can't shoot me! No! But I get now the shield! Oh shoot! They cheat! Yeah! Ah, the hover! I hate this hover. I must destroy them! Oh! My shield does not work. Oh, they can fly! Oh my gosh! They can't fly. Come on, man. Get the fairy to destroy them. Oh. Come on, man. Come on. Kill. We can't kill. Yes! Come on, destroy them. Hey! That bodies have Zeus. It's shoot. Look, if I go to them, I will die. Ooh, wow. That bot. That's what I mean. So look at this. Whoa, they're gonna destroy the E. So I was born in the E. So very easy to destroy them. You have to jump back because if you jump down, you will die. Fire. Come on, man. Ah! The Zeus shoot me. Come on, man. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Please. Oh, man. Please don't shoot me. I'm gonna die. Hey. Oh, shoot. Oh, shit. They shoot me. Oh. They very. Oh. I've got a truck train. And they. Oh. Why did they shoot in the corner? Oh. The Zeus shoot me. Oh, but I can shoot them. Yeah, it's pretty good. So, come on. Ah! They shoot me. Come on, man. Oh, look, they shoot me. So this bot just have Natasha too, and Spirit. I think Spirit and Thunder. Ah! Wow, this guy have a Zeus. Yeah. And another guys. Wow. Tyrant, 3 Tyrant. And they have Fujin. Oh, shoot them. They must die. Yeah! Come on, man. Yes! Smart. Yeah. Wow, this guy have the Columbus and pin is a gun. And oh, I think I'm win. Look at this. Look at he. 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 Oh. I'm gonna win. No. Oh, look at this guy. No. Oh man, I win. Yes, but I want to show the high cheat 3 organ that they have, but it's too late. Yeah. So, go man, it's too late. I'm tired, but I can speak English so much. Wow. The key to key. Oh, it's a little bit. So, what is this? I think I will change the gun. Yeah. I'm changed to. What are we gonna change? Hi, guys. What are we gonna change, dude? Hi, dude. I think I changed to Tauron. And Magnum to Magnums. Where's Magnums? Magnum! Oh, the gecko. No, I don't want to shoot Magnum. I want to shoot this one. A fit. Wow. Get them! And quickly! Yeah, quickly like this. F it. Yes. Ooh, I think it's worked. So, maybe you gonna subscribe me, yeah, or like me, yeah. I think my level is 29, and whoa, what is this? Oh my gosh. Yep. So, bye bye everybody. I think you gonna be my friend. Oh, Garth. No, I don't like Garth. So, oh man, I'm wrong. I have to go to change robots. Yeah. Oh, this Griffin. I want to. No. Ooh, stalker. I think I'm bored this robot. Should I sell them? Yeah, I'm sell GL Patton. And I sell bow. Great. I think this bot is golem. We have to choose the like 10 plus and mullet and mullet. It's worked. No, I don't say them. Oh, have 2 robots. Some sell. Quickly. Oh, quickly. Yeah. Okay, so bye bye everybody. Subscribe me. Hello.